What is crowd anonymity in 90 seconds or less? If you know SKAN 3, you know privacy thresholds. Crowd anonymity is simply the new version of privacy thresholds in the next version of SKAdNetwork, SKAN 4. Both function to protect individuals' privacy in mobile measurement and marketing attribution while allowing brands to get some performance data. But there are some technical and practical differences. On a practical level, crowd anonymity is designed to return more privacy-safe data to marketers at lower levels of installs per campaign. This is good news for marketers who have been frustrated with null value postbacks in SKAN 3. On a technical level, crowd anonymity takes into account three factors: number of installs, the app being installed, and the source identifier. There are 4 tiers of crowd anonymity. The data you get from campaigns for campaign identifiers and conversion values are both dependent on crowd anonymity. At the lowest level, tier 0, you get 2 digits of source identifier, but no conversion values. At tier 1, you get 2 digits of source identifier and a coarse conversion value, one of 3 potential options. At tiers 2 and 3, you get more digits of campaign information in your source identifier and a fine conversion value for postback 1, which is up to 64 values. At tier 3, you get all of that plus a source app notification, which is sort of like a publisher ID. That's all pretty complex, but at a base level, crowd anonymity is better than privacy thresholds. Crowd anonymity gives you more data, but like privacy thresholds, crowd anonymity is best achieved with scale.